Welcome to CoCoMini Kids.
January brings the new year cheer. Happy wishes for all to hear. February, short and sweet. Hearts and love make it neat. March brings winds that blow the kite. Colors of spring are shining bright. April showers make things grow. Flowers bloom and rivers flow. May is sunny, warm and fun. Play outside and see the sun. June has days so bright and long. Summer's here with joyful song. July is hot with skies so blue. Picnics, games and ice cream too. August days are warm and clear. Summer's end is almost here. September comes, school bells ring. Books and learning new things bring. October nights are cool and sweet. Pumpkins glow on every street. November leaves fall down. Red and yellow, orange, brown. December brings the winter cheer. Christmas time and Happy New Year.
CoCoMini के नए मजेदार वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर लो।